Welcome. This is a short practice for releasing stress and returning to a calm, steady presence. You need no experience. There is nothing to believe, achieve, or perform. For these few minutes, you do not have to care for anyone else. Sit comfortably with the spine rising naturally. Let both feet rest on the floor. Let the hands rest in your lap. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice the support beneath you. Feel the chair holding your weight. Feel the floor beneath your feet. You do not need to hold yourself up. Release the shoulders. Soften the muscles around the eyes. Relax the space between the eyebrows. Let the jaw loosen. Bring your attention to your natural breathing. There is no need to breathe deeply. Simply notice the breath as it enters and as it leaves. Notice the quiet beginning of each inhalation. Notice the gentle ending of each exhalation. Your body already knows how to breathe. When it feels comfortable, let the next inhalation become slightly fuller. Breathe in gently through the nose. Breathe out slowly. Again, breathing in, receiving. Breathing out, releasing. Now let the breath return to its own rhythm. Imagine each exhalation creating a little more space inside you. You are not pushing thoughts away, you are giving them room to settle. Like fine sand settling in clear water, the mind clears when it is no longer disturbed. Breathing in, becoming aware. Breathing out, becoming softer. Now move your awareness slowly through the body. Feel the forehead and let it soften. Feel the throat and the neck. Feel the shoulders. Imagine the weight of the day flowing down the arms and leaving through the fingertips. Feel the center of the chest. Whatever you find there, Let it be present without judgment. Feel the abdomen soften as you breathe. Feel the hips supported. Feel both feet meeting the ground. With each exhalation, let any remaining tension move downward into the earth beneath you. Thoughts will appear, plans, memories, unfinished conversations. This is natural. The mind produces thoughts as the lungs receive breath. You do not need to follow them. See each thought as a leaf floating on a quiet stream. Notice it, let it pass, then return to the breathing. Now silently with the breath, breathing in, I am here. Breathing out, I let go. Continue in your own rhythm. Now choose one quality to carry into your day. Clarity, patience, steadiness, kindness. Only one. Breathing in, welcome it into the body. Breathing out, let it reach the people around you. Now let the breath deepen a little. Feel the body sitting in the room. Notice the sounds around you. Move the fingers, move the toes. Calm does not require perfect conditions. It begins with one conscious breath. Each time you return to it, you strengthen your ability to pause and respond clearly. When you're ready, open your eyes. One breath, one pause, one clear moment at a time. Thank you.